On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. For a lot of hate. Get above the lane. Ain't about the trade. Have another trade. Get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What is going on, everybody? It's Friday, baby. It's Friday. I see Billy in the chat. I see Gio in the chat. What's going on? Tony Soprano, Alexandra G, Infinity. My God. Gio called the dump. We were talking about this ugly flag, weren't we? Gio, we were like, yeah, everybody, me and Gio were like, it's like everybody taking the poll. We were talking about this, weren't we? My dude, too funny. I left the trade on, like, you guys know me. Oh, you guys can't even see my screen. Oh man, I gotta talk smack this way, right? And I left the trade on the screen. I tell people if they don't want to FOMO in, just put the trade on the screen. I had a 786 here, golden pocket, right here. I had a short right here, stop loss above the high. I went and watched the Leafs game. All right, I went and watched the hockey game. Didn't take the trade. Damn, Daniel. Happy Friday. Yay, 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 yay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Who cares, man? That's the thing. When you get to a point in your trading, let me fix this damn screen. Missing trades. I mean, it doesn't affect you too much. Is the audio okay? I want to make sure. Put a 1 in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat if the audio is okay. I had to update Streamlabs, so I'm always like super paranoid. I've updated Streamlabs and my audio is just messed up. You see the it's same with the phone. Like I don't update the phone until they start slowing it down. You know they do that, right? We ain't gonna get conspiracy theory Fridays, are we? All right, audio is okay. Thanks, guys. So Bitcoin rolls over. The flag falls. That is fine. I thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. I'm also a little bitter because the only trade setup that I gave last night was a TON trade, okay? And we got stopped out in our Discord. And it's the only thing that didn't dump. I'm telling you, I just couldn't. It's just one of those days, where it's like, you give the setup, Where's Ton here? Am I blind? Movers. Ton. We gave the short from up here. Didn't dump. You look at everything else. Ton's ripping. Everything else died. Look at ETH. Anybody want some $1,800 of ETH? Anybody want 1,800 ETH? I bought ETH at 17. This is where I bought ETH. 1780. Oh my God. Anybody gonna call Vitalik and tell him what to do? He's Canadian, by the way. Someone call Vitalik. Good morning, everybody. Thank you all for being here. I didn't sing the Ton song. That ton. I like it when a bee goes. Sing it when a bee goes. Okay, we won't go there. That's a 90s kids thing, okay? Ooh, that silver hair, man. It's all about that silver hair. See when a bee goes. I need Geo on here. That ton. He's that Pearson. He's gonna fly to Miami. Have a safe flight, bro. Bless. God bless. Safe flight. Always safe flight. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Much love to every single one of you guys. It's Friday. We're up like $6,000 this. We're up $6,000 this week. Not bad. Not a bad week's work, you know. Started the account. What did we start the account at here this week? 14,000. I think we started the account at 14,500. All right. Good work, everybody. Hopefully you're up this week. So traders helping traders, right? This is what it's all about. I'll teach you how to fish, man. We book and fishing trips here. We all book and fishing trips. Billy's got the dynamite in the back. All right. If we do not catch some fish, we're gonna chuck some dynamite. We eating. No matter what, we eating. Giver's gain's always gonna feed us. So as long as we're giving and being kind, Billy's got the dynamite in the back of the boat. Don't worry, we're all here, working together, solving problems. Complex candle structures, okay? Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Good to see every single one of you guys. God bless you guys. Jedi Gaze, Tony Sopranos, Chantel, Crypto Wanderer. What's going on, man? Uncle Jesse, I see you above there. Dusty Hunt, Albert Rajagukuk. My favorite name in all of crypto, Rajagukuk. What's going on, my man? Thank you for being here. Much love to you. Dusty Hunt, Tony Soprano, Jason, Infinite. Let's go, Jason. Let's go, Infinite. Skyrizonus. What's going on? Good to see all the members here and all the family members as well. Patrick Sod, forget about it. I'm a Okimon Defiant. Good morning to you, man. Hopefully we answered some questions. Very good questions. Thank you for asking them. We can answer some more today in the afternoon live stream about order blocks and anything. Bring your questions. I always want to help you answer those and get it all sorted, man. Paul, good morning to you. BC Port Corp, James, Joe Ruiz, BC Port Corp, Dan Nixon, Rashad, good morning to you. Crypto Billy, my man. Geo's in here. Herman's Moose, good morning to you. Roaming Brave, Greek Feta, good to see you. Thank you for being part of the gang as well. I believe you just joined. R Pink, just cover it. What's going on? So we're looking at 84,000. Let's be real. We've been looking at 84,000 forever in the Discord. It's very simple. Look, let's zoom out. Let's look at 84,000 together. What is 84,000? It's a big ass volume nipple, okay? That's all it is. It's entry back into this range too, right? If we do come down further than that, which we can, right? We haven't really broken structure here. Right? We still have significant lows. Okay, what goes up must come down. This is like a really like fake you out Bart Simpson, right? Whatever you want to call it. It's up and then sideways and down. I believe Geo called the sideways too. I think he called sideways. So we talked about being range bound here, which was good. And then we talked about developing a range up above. So we've been pretty much sideways too, just range bound in here, and then as a community range bound in here. So I think we're both winning. I like when people give, not advice, probabilities, right? If this, then that. We're always if this, then that. You can't just come out here with your dang crystal ball, all right? And go woo 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 woo. All right, we ain't Kamehameha. All right, we're not gonna be if this then that always. So what are we now? We're coming to the bottom of this range within here, right? Can we bounce? Absolutely, but you need to see some sort of market structure shift in here, and then we can look to come up to our target of 91.92 ish. We'll see. Ish. Go watch Gio's video, okay? He did a really good job yesterday before he left. Very similar. However, you can be all looking at the same stuff, and this is the difference between traders, is you can all be looking at the same stuff. Did you get in the trade? Did you take the trade? How did you execute the trade? Did you manage your risk, right? That's the difference. Anybody can come on and scribble on charts. Execution is what it's all about. That's why we're here. That's why Billy's got the dynamite. Billy Go Tails, man. Richard Price Crypto, Caveman, good morning to you. Quick Smoker, Andrew Ruiz, Jetty, good morning to you. Uncle Jesse, Al Jr., let's get after it relentlessly. Darren Does Things, my man, good morning to you. Too much to do this morning. Gang, let's go. Zara, good morning to you. Jay Violet, what's going on? Everybody says the mic's okay. Okay. Rolling over here, we got our 786 here. This is kind of where I'd look for an SFP if we're going to get it. Otherwise, we're coming here. We want to see market structure change here. Otherwise, this is rolling. Sing it, Billy. Rolling on a river. Always trying to have fun. Wixway 589 613. What's going on? Crypto Princess in here. What's going on? Crypto Princess and me, Crypto Princess and Geo. We say Z. It's not Z, it's Z. Okay? It's the Queen's English. All right. Graham, good morning to you. Good to see you. Jason, Wicks. The Wicks are in town. Sniper's Nightmare. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully we're all doing okay this morning. Look at all these absolute super duper legendary Otter Gang members. That Ton song. Let's go, Wicks. OG Blockchain, Sharkfin, Nicholas, R. Pink, Crypto Princess, Dusty Hunt. Good morning to you, Uncle Jesse. I used the Dusty Hunt as my golf name, and I shot a 65 on Pebble Beach. I got a picture of it. I don't know if I've shown you the picture, Dusty Hunt. I could find it if you want. I could find you the picture of me using Dusty Hunt as my. You type in the simulator your name. I used your name, bro, and I played some good golf. Zick Dot, good morning to you. Tony Soprano. Crypto Billy the Ton. Let's go. Django, Darren, Maya. Good morning, Maya. Good to see you. Wick's wifey. How's it going, wifey? Hopefully you're doing well. Infi 786. Good morning. Thank you for saying good morning. Down 300. That's okay. That's manageable. It sounds like you've managed your risk, James. Hopefully that's not if you're trading $1,000 account, you don't want to be down 30%, but lessons learned. We had a great short yesterday. Look who it is. It's our favorite person from yesterday. Shamitris. What's going on? Good morning. Max, good morning to you. Patrick Malloy, good morning. JR, it's in the game. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Fellow Canadians, love you all. Wayne C, Django, Crypto Princess, Cubes, good morning to you. CJ Nis, good morning. Infinite Team TA, let's go with the 10 AlexOCrypto memberships, okay? This is cool. Let's see if we got some early lurkers. I mean, they're here early. Do we call them a lurker, or are they more like a what would we call them? We call them pop buyers. Eric Svin, Lurker, Crypto Billy getting that membership. God bless you, bro. Al Jr. Crypto Billy signed up for the Discord. Like he's not even in our Discord and he pays for the membership. So he's always supporting the channel. God bless you, Billy. Matthew, good morning. Judge, good morning. Frank Fit for Life, good morning. Good to see you, bro. John Foster, good to see you, my man. Mr. Zed. Mr. Zed, there's a good example. Lurker. Lee, good morning. I think I've seen you before. Bud74. Lurker. We'll go Lurker. George, good morning to you. Albino Rhino. Let's go. Good morning, bro. I love seeing people who are here all the time get the memberships. I like calling out lurkers too. Don't get me wrong. Last night I clicked on 2 team parlay, Duke and Arkansas. I banked. Let's go. Dusty Hunt, banking. Love seeing you win, bro. Love seeing you win. JR, Hodl Crypto, Crypto Princess, good morning to you. This looks like it's going to roll over right now. VWAP's got to be above us. Okay. Choppy. Very choppy right now. Slow motion. We do have news today. Let's be prepared. It's 8:16, everybody. So we got Core PCE. It's in the game. So for all you ENFL, it's in the game. We'll see how this reacts, okay? We're looking for this thing to come up, but what can you say? You know, we're not magical fundamental magicians. We're just here to kind of pay attention. Okay, so guys, don't forget to remind me in the chat that we are getting the news right now. We have a little bit of a structure change, I guess. Very short-term stuff. Not really. Yeah, not really changing too much right here. Just chopping. So I would expect this to behave into open. The Nas just chilling. Coming down, dude. So we'll see how it reacts. We were looking for some key levels the other day, coming back into this area in here, and look, we came into that area. So we'll see if we do hold the door. You know, that's what we want to see. But it's gonna be a doozy. Obviously, a big rollover for Bitcoin, and we'll see if we do hold here on the S&P and try to bounce back. We're kind of looking to be range bound within here. Good rejection off there, rolling over as well. The Dixie, same thing, pushing back up, which is concerning because we don't want to see this going back to the rippers, and we can definitely see that we do have rounding bottom. So caution here, but any sort of retracement is looked to follow with dumpage, and we want to see obviously the dollar fall, right? Bitcoin stalling out here. 256 people in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. No trade until news today. Just want to say good morning to every single one of you guys. We can do some top-down analysis as well and look at everything. Darshan Baba, good morning to you. Tony Soprano, Dave Digital in the chat. What's going on, Dave? I got to get through all you beautiful people. Make sure you are saying good morning. That's the only requirement here is to say good morning. Brorical, my man. What's going on? JR, Crypto Billy. Persic, good morning. Good to see you, Freddie. Freddie Swartz. Good morning to you, man. Thank you for saying good morning. Have a wonderful Friday. Everybody. Ooh, some people have been chopped up. Okay, that's a little bit different. It's a little bit different. Emmanuel, good morning, man. Wick's wife. Dave Digital in the chat. We got Dave Digitals and we got wifeys. Gang. Let's go. The double D's for Dave, obviously. Tamale, what's going on, our pink? Still trying to break up that cough. You guys can put the fart emoji. I get it. That's our cough. Rooster, good morning. Sorry. Roaster. Sometimes I'm going to zoom in here. JR. Sniper's Nightmare. My brother, good morning to you. Hopefully the mom's healing up. Primo Viva, good morning to you. Frost, good morning. Web stacking Otter tokens this week. Let's go. Infinite Team TA. Save. I mean, I always suggest you save your money to the end of the month so the mods can have it. Okay. I am giving the mods my birthday money, by the way. I don't know if I should, but I'm going to. It's like I don't even know how much did I get on my birthday for this stream. I can find out for you guys. But I told the mods I give them the birthday money, so I'm going to. I think it's like $400 split between them. And then whatever we get on Monday, because it's the end of the month. So every end of the month we do a mod giveaway. So anything that like this, any super chats, anything goes to the mods. I highly encourage you save your money and give it to the mods, please. That would be greatly appreciated. Dan Bartley, good morning. Crypto Mike, good morning. Undies, good morning. Maureen. Oh my God. I got to send a message to Alexandra G. Maureen, I messaged you. Maureen, I got to screenshot you. Maureen, I messaged you on Discord privately. I was checking to see if you're okay. I haven't seen you in a while, Maureen. How you doing? Are you okay? Maureen's one of our members, but she's always here. She's always been so kind. I sent you a couple messages on Discord to see if you're doing okay. I was worried about you. Good morning. How you doing? Are you all right? God bless you, Maureen. Good to see you. That makes me happy. Thank you for being here. Skeets, Lurker, Moho, good morning. Good to see you. Pixelwave, Lurker, Seedhu, Lurker, DV, maybe not a Lurker, but I'm going to call you a Lurker. Maureen! Oh, I'm so happy. This made my week. I've messaged you a couple times. Hopefully you're doing okay. God bless you. 20 gifted. Holy smokes. I can't count. Dave. Ihachi. Lurker. Tamale. Arpad. What's going on? Good morning. Walrus Trades. Lurker. Pancho Villa. Lurker. Jonathan Schaefer. The Modder Otter. The Modder Otter who mods the mods. He's King Modder Otter. Oh man. Don't tell Sniper, he might hit you. Dap Pomo, Henny Britton, Lurkers. My God. Michelle Edgley. Duality C, Lurker. Hamed Lurker. Charging Badger. I've seen you before. Good morning, man. Let's go. Thank you so much. Dave Digital, member for a year. Bro. Dave, God bless you. Thank you so much for the gifted memberships. Infinite Team TA. Let's go, baby. God bless you, bro. Wick's Wife Jr., Paul Caruso, John Foster Crypto. Yo, so with the Discord, does it automatically charge me every month? I signed up a couple weeks ago. I just want to make sure that it continues. Yeah. So it automatically reoccurs, and then the price that you got in stays. I've messaged and emailed between me and the provider Me6, and yes, it does reoccur. Unless you cancel, you can totally cancel. That's fine. If you want a refund, I'll get you the refund. Just message me. No problem. Take care of all that. I don't think you need a refund. I think it pays for itself. However, it does renew, John Foster Crypto. I know you're a little bit new to Discord, so yeah, thank you for joining and being part of the gang, bro. I appreciate you, man. But it will renew, just so you're aware of that. You don't have to do anything. Well, it's Jesse. Good morning, Dave Digital. Maureen. Oh, I'm so happy, man. I'm so happy. Good to see you, Maureen. God bless. Tony Soprano. Shark Van George. Come on, guys. Hit that like 250 watching. Let's go. I know Alexandra G will be happy that Alexandra G asked about you, and I've been trying to hunt you down, Maureen, so That's the giver's gain in here. You know, people care, which is so important. Randy, Infinite Team, Tamale, George, Sharkvin. Good morning. Dave, you're long. Already into news? Why are you getting long into news, Dave? We got 5 minutes. Let's go. Nick Musgrave in the chat. Tony Soprano, Sniper's Nightmare. The mods are here. and they're ready, man. God bless you guys. God bless the mods. Always trying to take care of my mods. You guys are the best. I love you all. Even Dave. Even Dave. Oh, man. V Monitor, good morning. Otter gang. It's Friday, baby. It's Friday. So if you guys are down, some of you guys are down, and we're pretty much break even here. And I don't like the don't ask. If you're in a don't ask, that means you got wrecked. But normally we're up about 40% here. So you guys have gotten chopped up this week, man. We got to work on that. Just closed my short from Monday. Nice, Matt. Beautiful. Army Piper, gang, Piper. I just read your good morning, Alex. Good morning, Wazi. Good morning, Manoj. In Bulgaria, it's 2:20. Good morning to you. Thank you for being here, Bulgaria. Appreciate you. Joshua, good morning. Dave, J Violet, George, good morning. Good morning. Hindu, Stanny. Man, you guys, there's a lot of people in here. Crypto Rob off near Crypto Mike. Hi. Hi. Shub, good morning. Hi. Off near, good morning to you. Graham Leach. Jesse Grandmaster, hey, my man. I haven't been on the Discord, been too busy in the hospital, but home now. Thank you, Alex. Oh, Marine. Good to see you, Marine. Hopefully you're doing okay. God bless you. You're in my prayers. Trey Roberts. Anto, good morning, man. Good to see you. Mikey, good morning, Mikey, as well. Morning, Little Lake. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Okay, so Bitcoin. We got 4 minutes till the news. Okay, what do we have here? We have a rollover. 786 rejection, failure to continue, no flag breakout for all the flag traders. Sorry about your flags. However, what do we have here? We have unsustainable price action. We've been talking about this for quite a bit of time here within our Discord. Okay, so we have liquidity here. We have liquidity here, right? So what can be taken and what will be taken depending on market structure if we come in here. We would like to see a market structure flip, okay? Very, very clear. We failed to close above here, and we were making lower highs all the way through here. So should have been looking for shorts. That's about it. Very, very scam, wickety price action. Right now we are pushing, so that's fine. That's fine. Not a very key level, in my opinion, for a bounce, right? We'll see if we do want to continue rolling over. Obviously, the trend has been very much down overnight. So what goes down must come up. But nonetheless, what would we look for? We look for some sort of like retest of the range, right? We look for this and then this, retesting somewhere in here, order blocks, yada, yada, yada. But for now, bull divs, we didn't even come down. The 786 is literally at the bottom of this box, and we didn't hit it, okay? We front ran it a little bit. Bull divs in here. Now we are pushing. Okay, but this is the key level. Okay, everybody, 84.2 in this box here. We have this big old supply, demand zone, whatever you want to call it. We have this, we have volume, okay, and we have since recovered from the Bart Simpson catastrophe, okay? Dumping overnight. I was looking for the short last night, literally from here, and I was too busy watching hockey. So that's fine. We've had a very profitable week this week. We're absolutely kicking ass, taking names. What to be expected for the day? Well, in the next minute, we'll see what the news does. But right now, we are pushing back. We're not pumping. We're pushing back. We have a nice doji here on our 4-hour and a nice curvature to the upside with green money flow. So this can bounce back up into here. Okay, there is an opportunity for a bounce. Let's not be too bearish, but not be too bullish either. We want to be contrarian. It is Friday, so we'll see what it puts in for some weekly choppy volatility. Okay. Our 3-hour is pushing up, our 2 hours pushing up, and our 1 hour is pushing up. So there is some chance for some relief. So if we're looking at this, what are we looking? Right? Let's always ask ourselves if this, then that. So we pull our volume across here, and we can see we got a little volume nipple, as Piper will call it, a viper nipple. I just said viper nipple. Good morning. It's Friday, baby. So we have a volume level and a viper nipple up in this place here. So we can look for a sell up here, okay? Watch out for that Viper nipple. And news is coming out. Okay, let's jump into it. Watch out for the Viper nipple. Here it comes. Pumping. Pumping. Pumping, dumping. My screen's all cluttered. All right. So 0.4. 0.4. It comes in hot. It comes in hot. That is not good. Inflation is, no, core PCE is risen. It comes in hot. Okay. Core PCE index, month over month in the United States, increased to 0.4% in February from 0.3 of January 2025. Core PCE price index, month over month in the United States, average 0.2%. So it's coming in higher. It's coming in higher. Is this bullish? Is it bearish? Piper, what do you think? Core PCE coming up right now. Okay, bullish, bearish. You got to let me know. Piper knows the deal here. That's why we send you to Piper after here, because he'll give you the fundamental analysis on what these things mean. I'm just here to press buy and sell. Okay. Personal income increased to 0.8%. Personal spending decreased. Okay, so a mixed bag here, but I don't know if this is good. Core PCE coming up this high. It doesn't look like it's behaving quite well. It looks like it's dumping. Okay, so, you know, the news comes out. We look at the charts. We wait. This is why you don't get long and FOMO in here. Dave, hopefully you're out of your long. Let's see what Mr. Piper says. What does Piper say? Inflation higher. No good. It's a dump. Okay, there we go. Well, maybe exaggerated, but been dead on. You are correct, Alex. The same reason I waited to buy my weekly DCA for today. That's it, man. Bearish. See, we have so many smart people in here. I love it. Right? I'm just the epitome of proving that you don't have to be still laughing about the Viper nipple. Man, I don't know what comes out of my mouth sometimes, Billy. I'm just here to be like me, you know? Can he? We're gonna have to make like a Viper nipple emoji or something. By the way, we added trade flies emoji last night. We got trade fly emoji now. He isn't even here. Maybe we'll remove it and put a Viper nipple in there. Should I short BTC? No, you should not. You should wait. Let the dust settle, man. Always give it about, I would say give it about like 5 minutes. Like let it bake, okay? We're not shorting right now, guys. We will take trades. We take trades every single day. We took the short yesterday. That was great. Great short, everybody. Hopefully you made lots of money, and we'll continue to help. We'll continue to show up and help you guys here navigate these crazy charts. So, good morning, Crypto King George. Good morning, Django. Good morning, Kurosamo. Good morning. Good to see you, man. JR Maker. Good morning, everybody. Thank you all for being here, kicking ass, taking names, and trading the Viper nipples. We need a nip emoji. I'm sure you could find something that looks like a nip, JR. Viper nipple emoji next. It should just be like a nipple tassel with like volume on it or something. All right, we're looking to come down here 786. See if we get a bounce out of here. Bullish divergence, okay? I am looking for a long. I'm looking for relief up into here, okay? Just like we planned out here. I'm looking for that relief up into here. What goes up must come down. Dixie is the story. So whenever there is news, there is a story that's written on Dixie. Especially with a FOMC day. You'll get 1 move, 2 moves, 3 moves. You get the actual move, the rug of the actual move, and then the continuation of the move, okay? Right now we have a roll over here. So can we get a bounce? We'll see. We'll see. But this is coming back in here, sweeping all the liquidity. It did a job, right? We have a nice little order block in here. We're gonna go over a bit of order blocks within our community today on our live stream at noon. Been doing really good as a community lately. I'm very proud of all the members and the participation, the charts, the traders. Everybody's been doing really good. Learning, asking good questions. It's been an honor to serve you guys and try to help you guys on your trading journey. It's really something. Really something incredible. All right, rolling over here. So top-down analysis says, hey, we were rolling over. We can look for a retest back into here and drop back down. Okay, we should be favoring shorts right now. We have changed structure over here, but we have not taken the low here. So this is still in an uptrend. This is now in a downtrend, right? You need to be able to identify these things. We have lots of liquidity in here. We have a major support level here at 84.2. It's going to take a bunch of fierce dumpage to get through here, in my opinion. We have a big volume level. So we'll see if this demand zone will hold. If not, we look to come to pretty much the bottom of the range. Like we can come in here, which is fine, 81 to 82. But if we lose 81, we're definitely coming for the lows, in my opinion. Okay, so don't want to scare you. I want to prepare you. Okay, that's it. If this, then that. Prepared traders are always going to be profitable traders, right? If we go swing low to swing high here, now that we have an established high, we're looking here. We'll see if we get it. Okay, but here's first volume nipple. Okay, we got the Viper volume nipple in here. Viper nipple. Is there a snake in here? Let me see if I can find a snake. There is. We got there's your Viper nipple emoji, guys. Oh. There's only one thing that can defeat the Viper nipple, and that is the otter schlong. Okay. You can tell I have a 7-month-old son. We do puppets all day long, right? Okay, rolling over here, coming down to mitigate the lows. We'll see if we get a bounce. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, smashing up the like button. We're here Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Okay, very grateful for everybody in here supporting the gang, hanging out, trading, making money. Monday to Friday, baby. We are like 4 for 5 this week. We had one break even day. Okay? One break even day. And the rest we were kicking ass, taking names. So it's like it's been a good week. You can't complain about that, can you? So no stop loss Fridays. Yeah, right. That's what it's all about. So we've been doing well this week. One day where we were off, right? That one day where we dumped, we were off that day, but that's fine. Talked a lot of smack that day. Got a lot of swear words in. But that's the one. Sometimes you need to have those days, okay? We're not shorting yet, my friend. Miles Trump Power, good morning to you. Live with the U.S. means no trade. And let it bake a bit, right? Let it bake. Let's see what happens here. We do have a little support level in here that we are looking for a potential bounce, okay? Not to say that we are going down to the ground right now, but we'll let it bake for a bit. Be prepared as much as possible. How did the NAS react here? Not much of a reaction, really. Let's see the US 100. US 100 is rolling over, okay? So there's our tail of which we're of direction, but we've yet to sweep this low. So this is a 786 box. The 786 is literally right here. Okay, so we have not hit it yet. So we're looking for it to hit it and quit it. Okay, hit it and bounce. We'll see if we get it. We want to wait for obviously market structure reaction in here. We're much more interested in this 84,200 level. Okay. Much more interested in, but this could get front ran because everybody's looking at 84,000, right? When everybody's looking at it, especially if you're trading Ethereum, you typically will front run the level. Okay, so be aware of that. Rolling over here, we'll see if we do get a reaction that we want. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, smashing up those like buttons. Monday to Friday, 8 a.m., we're here, hanging out with you guys. taking trades, kicking ass, taking names. 370 people here, 118 likes. Thank you guys for being on the stream today and hanging out with me. Hopefully we can help you make some money, honey. All right. Wow. Almost came up perfectly to our previous day close. Okay. That order block being filled right now. Okay. We'll see if we do get a little bit of a sweep of the lows in here, filling in this little order block down here. Nothing to write home about. When we look here. Yeah, so filling up here. Got some volume in here. Looking to support. Big rollover. Big rollover. Don't want to fade this yet. Okay, we don't want to fade it to the upside. Just want to be patient here to see what happens. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We did finally, I told you guys I'd get you guys a deal on Bitunix. I got you guys a deal. Okay. Just announced it in the announcements. If you do want to sign up with Bitunix, you can do that. You don't have to. I've been trading with the exchange this whole week. Okay, I found it really easy, right? Like slider bars, all that stuff, pretty easy to use. I think Crypto Face is using it too. It's a pretty easy exchange to use. I've enjoyed it so far. If you do want to sign up with that, links down below. If not, that's cool. That's cool, man. I mean, we're traders helping traders, so you can do whatever you please here. I mean, you can trade using FTX. We don't really care, man. It's all good as long as you're protecting yourself before you wreck yourself. Never keep too much money on an exchange. I always suggest keeping a float account. Float it, baby. Don't keep all your money on an exchange. You will learn. I started trading on FTX, okay? So we can all we can all relate to that. So filling in here. No trades yet. I'd like to long, to be honest. But I'm going to wait. I would like to see the SFP in here. Sweep the lows. SFP. Reclaim and go. Doesn't mean we're going to get it. Okay. So patience here. Patience will always prevail. How was everybody's trading week? You guys want to have a confession session? Let's have the confession session. Why are you underwater this week? Because I've seen a lot of people. All right. So we got 50% of people here who are pretty much underwater, break even or underwater, right? So 30% up, break even, underwater. So about half of you, plus the don't ask. Don't ask means you got wrecked. So 3/4 of you are not doing so good. Let's confess what is getting in your way of being profitable. Let's talk about it. Because it's all learning. It's all learning. If you're not going to admit it, you're not going to be honest and transparent, you're not going to get anywhere with this trading game. If I'm being straight with you. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, all trying to push back, okay? It fits, but it's not a setup I would take. This is after news too, so I want an SFP. Patience. Trading is waiting. JR, JD, Zena, good morning. Nice to see the pink hand. Piper, Darren, long below 84K. Okay. I feel like a viper should only have one nipple tassel on the top of its tail. Let's go. Viper nipple. It's not a Piper nipple. It's a viper nipple. We have decided this now. Pushing back here, back into the range. Just not something. Looking forward to the order blocks. Yeah, well, we're gonna do order blocks today, in the Discord. I have an order block video on my channel, Muckin, that you should watch. Okay. Miles, Trump Power, Jedi Gaze. Good to see you. You are profitable. You are profitable. I am profitable. I just Jedi Gazed you, bro. Anto Defiant. Clean slate every day. Let's go. The VN pattern. I'm waiting for tariffs to smack us back to the 70s. I think, yeah, April's what everything points to Wednesday, right? That's Wednesday next week. Randy Hipper, good to see you. Happy Friday, Randy Hipper. Randy, you got to show me how to make a cool picture with Look at this. Randy Hipper is all like cartoony. I don't know how to gibby it. Gibby. Look, I'm just plain Jane. I'm plain Jane. People tell me my teeth are yellow. I think I brush twice a week. Look at how white. Look at how perfect your teeth are. How did you do that? Did your eyes grow? Shout out to Randy Hipper in the chat. Absolute legend. Absolute legend. God bless you. Hopefully you're doing well. Go subscribe to Randy Hipper. I know you guys already are, though. What platform should I be trading and what 10x? Leverage is a tool. You should only be risking 1% of your account per trade. Leverage is just a tool. Okay, so you can trade multiple pairs or keep less money on an exchange. That is the only reason why you're using leverage. 80, what's going on, Wagwan? Good to see you. I am short. Let's go. Let's go. How are you taking the 786 level? When I draw fib, it's coming around 84,400. Impulse move here. The low to the high. Okay. We're going off impulse. We're not going off of this low here. We're going off this low here. Okay. 84,717. There you go. Accurate. Accuracy matters, okay? Just chopping a bit here. Uncle Jesse, how you doing, bro? How was your week, Jesse? Good to see you, man. Demetrius, Twitter Day, EMA. Django, just learning the basics. Too high leverage. Yeah, you should be paper trading or like not using leverage at all when you're starting off. You should just be taking trade setups, setting up your plan, executing the plan, back testing your plan. We talked yesterday and like half of you people haven't even back tested. Do you guys want to be profitable or do you want to be copyable? You want to build a life of freedom? You got to put in the work. Soul wrecked me. Good morning, Papa O and friends. Thank you for being here, Randy. Sarang, good morning. I was profitable. Let's go, J Violet. Defiant, stop loss. Tight. Looking like a little pushback here. Nice pushback. No trade for me. This is garbage, in my opinion. Risk management, Nigel. That's okay. At least you're aware of that. So, like, you got to commit to your stop loss. Stop loss is a non-negotiable. Okay? Non-negotiable. Take the loss. Assess. Continue to trade. 1%. Scammy-ish around VWAP yesterday. Yeah, absolutely. I saw that. I was able to take some really good trades. So yesterday, I mean, we had that V-shaped recovery yesterday, followed by an order block long. So we took the short yesterday here on the live stream. That was great. Boop. Okay. After the stream, I took a long, literally from here. It was beautiful. Order block. I teach this order block test, continuation trade. I teach you guys this all day long, baby. That was the easiest long ever. Front running the 618. See, if you're trading just the golden pocket, you would have missed this. Okay. Took that trade yesterday. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Lots of money, honey. Bunch of trades. So nice push up here for Bitcoin coming back in. Obviously, after the news, just kind of chopping everybody up. Everybody going short, thinking this thing's going to dump. Everybody going, so We are very overextended here. We'll see how it reacts today, but very range bound. So let's be patient. See what this price gives us here. No trades so far. Just waiting. Okay. Bratwurst FOMO. Yeah. I made a FOMO video yesterday. I was thinking about maybe posting it on the YouTube. It was for members only. But I could post it on the YouTube. Or Bratwurst, if you come into the Discord, say and tag me, say, "Hey Alex, can I have the FOMO video?" Come in here, say, "Hey AlexO, I'm gonna send me that FOMO video, and I'll share it with the general public." Okay, we did one yesterday, a full little deep dive on FOMO yesterday. See the FOMO no mo. It's called FOMO no mo. Okay. I thought I was creative. Okay, FOMO no mo. And you get these videos all the time.
Starting a new
in our
recording,
Discord, and we're gonna talk about
and I'll
FOMO.
teach you.
So we have a FOMO,
little bit of a
FOMO lesson.
So,
No
what
mo.
eliminates?
That's the one. Alexandra G. I'm a little underwater, but I'm okay because otters do great underwater. Let's go. That's a good attitude. I love it. Sharkfin. Brave Dave, good morning. Good to see you. Jay Violet, Miles Trump Power, my man. Buck, good morning. Good to see you, bro. Ton's dumping, finally. The only trade we gave yesterday didn't dump. Everything else dumped. Everything else dumped. Oh, man, we gave the short for Ton and it didn't dump. Everything else died. That's like just bad luck, really. Like, that is everything else rolled over. The one trade idea we had didn't. Jeez. Hey man, that's why I use good risk management. You take high probability trades. We had direction right on the entire market except Ton held up. I'm a miner. Backtesting is printing more BTC. Let's go, baby. Awesome, man. Teaching your son? That's awesome, man. My son clicked the buy button once and he made $1,600. I'm jealous of my son. He's taken one trade and he's 1 for 1. He has 100% win rate. He's up $1,600, but his dad's keeping his money for him. I'll buy Bitcoin for him. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. Neil Agashi, good morning. The Visionary. JRMO, good morning. Good to see you, man. Junior Mo. I'm going to call you Junior Mo. JRMO is a mouthful, man. Garrett, good morning. Good to see you. Army Piper. Buckeye, good morning. Sibel, good to see you. What's up with Supra? It's a good car. Well, the older one. 98. 2JZ. GT. College buddy. Gotta love an early live stream like this. Gotta love you being here, man. Thanks for hanging out, man. Thank you for being a good person. Morning, maybe a good time to DCA. I bought at 81. I bought 10K worth of Bitcoin at 81. That was it. I haven't yet added to my bags, okay? And that's just adding to my big bag of BTC. So it's not like, it's a very small portion of my HODL bag. I just wanted to get my toes a little bit wet, but I have not gone ape into alts yet. I got some dry powder just sitting and waiting, man. I'd rather buy off confirmation, right? I would rather see the thing go and confirm the move, and I would rather buy here. Because I don't need 20x. I don't need 10x. I just want like a nice 3x. Whatever. I ain't greedy, man. 3x is crazy gains, man. And then we compound the trading account, right? I mean, what are we up? Six grand this week, 7 grand this week, right? Trading account booming, baby. Rotate our fiat or our USDT into some Bitcoin eventually. Stacking. This is going to push here, but there's no setup here in my opinion, friends. I'm not taking a stupid trade today. It's Friday. We want to make money. We don't want to give it back. Let's see the money flowing. Oh, look at the daily now. Things have changed, haven't they? Coming down, rolling over here. Trigger wave, whack-a-mole, as we call it. Oscillating, pushing up, whack-a-mole, back down. Okay, money is still red as well. 2-day, little rejection here. 2-day still got a little bit of hopium here. Okay, the weekly. What's the weekly candle look like now? It's not a good weekly candle. This needs to push, man. You do not want to close below 86,000. Looks like we might. We would like for this Sunday close to be above 86,000 in my opinion. But doji at the top or hammer or shooting star at the top, not so pretty. Okay, this just looks like continuation. So get your hopium slippers out, baby. All right, the 4, the 3, the 2, the 1. What we check every single day just to understand what kind of momentum's trying to push back up here, but we are bleeding out. Okay, that's what it's saying. We said we could get the trigger wave right here yesterday, trigger wave and a pushback. It didn't push back. It got rejected, okay? Got rejected. You watch the VWAP for that. That'll give you the sign. Okay, the 3 hour. Everything's a bit oversold. So could push back, but to me, yeah, this is, if we get rejected off the 0 line even here, oof, could make for an ugly day. So no signs of letting up. We're looking for a pushback and a continuation down. That would be my bias for the day is this. For now, right? As price materializes, we'll see. But not looking so good for our biddy. Okay, we got a little bit of bull divs in here, but nothing to cry about. You'd have to really be nitpicking here. Yeah. I would like to see this. One more time. I want to get away. One more time. Happy Friday. We're gonna get away all day, all night. More data in 3 minutes. Come on, man. What are you doing to us, Piper? Why don't you launch this data and data when we're not trading? Uneven butt cheeks, baby. We love those uneven butt cheeks. FOMO Sapien, good morning to you. Miles, Trump power. What do we got coming? Michigan thingies, man. You guys keep your data out of here. How much data do you got, man? My God. Michigan consumer sentiment, 10 o'clock. PCE, 8, yeah, we did all this. Yeah, that's not till 10. We're in the clear. We only stream till 10, Piper. I thought you meant 3 minutes, like 9 o'clock. Whew, you got me scared. No trade. This is complete dog-ish. Whenever we see this, Freds, okay, we need direction, right? Say, hey, Alex always says whenever you see this, which is chop, right, you wait for direction. So it's going to pick a side. And we can make a decision based on which side it picks in order where to take a trade. When we see this, we're not getting into a trade based on this. There's nothing here that tells me to do anything. Okay? We had a situation like this before. I believe it was up at the top here. Was it here? It might have been here. It was a really choppy day. This was up at the top, and we said there's no trade here. We wait for the decision, and then we take action, right? I think this was it right here. Right here. Same shit, okay? Wait for the decision. I got long here. Piper was there for that one. That was when we were teaching. And then we took the swing low to swing high. We took the retrace back into this level in here. 382 bounce continuation trade. But we wait for the decision before we, do we want to get long here and then be rugged? Like, we can copy and paste this. Everybody loves a fractal, right, Piper? Everyone loves a fractal. Even though fractals are complete dog crap, we can throw a fractal on here for you guys. And there you go. Okay? There's your fractal. Looks very similar, doesn't it? Okay? But we wait for a decision to be made within the chop. It makes a decision. It can do this, but it did this. So we got on here. Okay? But we wait for the decision. We don't trade this. This is dog shit. Pardon my language. I'll dock myself for that one. I gotta be better at the swearing. Hey, we got TradeFly to swear yesterday. That was good. That was good. I was laughing pretty hard. We're almost at $100. Almost at $100. We got 400 people in here on the live. Thank you everybody for being here. More data. What do you think about the liquidity zone to 83K and the CME at 84? Very much on the table, man. Very much on the table. We come in here, and if we lose this area right here, the big support, we get acceptance into the range below us, right? So that's the concern, right? If we're looking at this range bound, right, we have two ranges in here that we are establishing. Okay. We have the lower range and the upper range, right? So if we lose that box, the pink box, we come down to the other pink box. Okay, pink box is everywhere. But if we lose here, right, we look to trade within this range, which means we're typically coming for 81,000, which means that would get recovered. Okay, this is going into the tariff week. Okay, this is going to be hilarious, right? So we're coming to the bottom of this range, and we'll see if this does hold. You can see the big shelf in here. So very much on the table. Obviously, we would like to see this, but this, if we get acceptance in here and we retest, we can easily come back down to the bottom of the range, okay? Very simple. So we just want to trade on confirmation, understanding there's lots of liquidity in these lows to be taken. And there's not, honestly, there's not a lot stopping us in here and in here. We come down in here and we start to lose this. This is very much on the table, very easily, okay? So it's very much a make or break. We still have higher highs and higher lows intact, right? We still have structure intact, suggesting an uptrend. Okay, this low hasn't been taken yet, so overall, I would say this is still an uptrend. We're still intact, but we'll see how well the bulls defend it, right? They've got a job. Can they do it? Who knows? What we can do is participate safely, using good risk management. We'll see if we get the opportunity to take some trades today. Chopping us up. Homo sapien, thank you for being here. Nick Musgrave, link to the exchange. Thank you so much. We got that deal going on right now until the end of April. So if you do want to sign up with us, that would be great. I'm just appreciate being here with you guys again. Trades don't matter. Maureen, we're happy you're here. Thank you so much for being here. God bless you. If you're in a short and the chart is bouncing up and down, but neither hits the stop loss nor the TP, I'm not sure what you're asking here, Django. If you're in the short and the chart is bouncing up and down, but neither hit the stop loss nor the TP. I'm not in any trades. How long do you hold that trade? Until you have clear invalidation. So you have to have invalidation points. When you take a trade, you have to say, if it goes here, I'm wrong. That's where you put your stop, right? If it doesn't hit your stop, or if price action does something that tells you, hey, I'm looking for this to continue, and then you get a reversal, right? You break structure, you may want to close your trade based on your rules. If you took this long and you're in an uptrend and you're not hitting your target yet, but you have a reversal, right? You may want to take your money, right? Because this could typically come back down, right? So it has to be based on rules, based on market structure, price action, and what you're looking for, right? Targets may not be hit, so you adjust on the fly. Now, you don't want to be over analyzing price action. You want to be, okay, this is my target. I'm going to take the trade. I'm going to hit that, right? We all know I close my trades too early. That's what I struggle with, and I work on it every day, right? That's kind of my biggest challenge is I have great entries, I have great ideas, I have great setups, I have good risk management, but it's holding trades longer, which is something I've always struggled with. So we're always working together, trying to get better, right? That's it. Morning, Alex. I missed the cheaper Discord option. Any Easter special offers coming? We could use the secret password Viper Nipple. Do you take crypto too as a payment by any chance? USDT or USDT, please. I'm trying to figure out a way to pay with crypto, but I haven't done it. I haven't figured it out yet. It would probably be like a yearly option with a discount, obviously. Maybe we do a Jesus. When is Easter this year? It's Sunday, April 20th. So yeah, we could do an Easter giveaway or a discount. Maybe we'll drop it down to $40 or something for Easter, depending. We could do that. Viper nipples. Viper nipples kind of not appropriate for Easter, man, but the data never stops. It's all BS, but it never stops. Yeah, it's how they manipulate the market, right, Buck? Chop it up here. Patience, still patience. Where do you find the list of news being released? There's Economic Calendar. There's Forex Factory. Those are your two best options. Forex Factory will give you a lot more information. I like the cleanliness of Economic Calendar. Okay, Forex Factory. It's very good. It gives you lots of information. Economic Calendar. It'll give you this as well. You can sort it by impact, keep it clean, right? Very simple. Simple pimple. Good morning, LBC's in the chat. What's going on, Lunar Beaches? My man. F1, good morning. Good to see you, my brother. Just trying to bounce here. Higher lows. If we mitigate this high, we can look for a retrace. Good push here. I'd like to see it come up into this area here. We have an order block, a retest of the lows, okay? Could actually expand this down a little bit into here. Yeah, that makes sense to me. Little pushback right now, no trade. A little bit of patience here. We got 400 people here, 160 likes. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. Big dump. $40. Not closing mine in time. My biggest drawback, yeah. 420 green Jesus Discord. Whatever you're into, man. Piper Academy Network. Sorted out by the country is what I do. Robert Rajagugug, my man. My man, good to see you, bro. How you doing? Buckeye, good morning. Jay Violet. What is this command, J Violet? Oh man, you guys are up to no good, causing trouble in the neighborhood. Sierra, how did you find the levels, support and resistance? I have a video on how to get my levels, okay? So look at it work, it's magic. It's called the best trading tool, the best free trading tool, fixed range volume trading tool. It's about marking out key levels of volume and support and volume shelves. Really helps or take profits and key levels and all that stuff. 9:10. Market's chopping right now. I'm going to go and get some more coffee and take a piddle. I'll leave you with a song. I'll be right back.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Oh, good. Everybody left. Perfect. Huh? They all left. I had to pee. They all left and went and watched someone else trade. I don't know. Maybe they're watching Investment Bros trade. Who knows? Whatever they're into, man. That's cool. Funny. I'd be watching Crypto Face. Is he long? He's long? I think he's long. What a legend. Look at the push here. Anybody else long? Sorry, I didn't shut the door. My wife stole the toilet from me. I had to run to the other one. Real champ, tell me about BTC. It's trying to bounce right now. Okay, everybody's scared. Nice break of the high. Continuation out. I'm long. Are you getting in, Alex? I will if it does meet my rules. You may ask me anything about Bitcoin. Of course, man. That's why we're here. Nice push here. Big order block. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here, staying with me. I know it's not easy. It's not easy. But we're here every single Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. We'll see if we do want to come back down to reality here. We have made a higher high, so suggesting continuation to the upside. We can look for a trade here. A little bit of patience is going to prevail. A little bit of patience. We got market open in 14 minutes, everybody. So let's be cautious here. Let's be prepared. We'll see if we do get a bounce into our areas that we're interested in. Okay. Valera's long. Let's go. Are you getting in, Alex? We'll see. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully your trading is better after this week. We continue to kick ass and take names in this live stream. HRJ, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. One of our traders in our Discord. Shout out to you, HRJ. Thank you for being here. Much love to you, bro. How you doing? Trade setups all day. HRJ, man. He's got signals. He's got setups. Signals. Trades. Chat. HRJ. CVO. Bitcoin. ETH. Brewberries. Live streams. Trading. Kyle. Momentum. Beautiful trading setups. Oh my God. Macro analysis. AlexOCrypto. Multiple TAs. I mean, one of the, if not the best Discord for the value. I mean, the cheapest, most insanely awesome. You can't, there's too much going on. It's too much value. I should just stop all the value, but I can't. I just want to deliver. $49 a month. Insane amount of people. Great people. The best Discord. That's it, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five traders. 5 paid traders. Trade flies in here as well. He's our 6th. But he's starting his own thing. So, you know, you give the man a spot. You let him grow. You try to help your friends. Right? Amazing people. Amazing Discord. Best value indeed. Nice pump here. There's nothing here that told me to go long, everybody. There's nothing. If you could justify going long in here, you got to give me your trading strategy. I want to know what justified your long here. You have a news wick up top. You have it come back down. You have a higher low here. You have money coming up, which is good. Okay. You tell me, what was your confirmation to enter the long here? I want to know. I always want to learn. I'm always down to learn. Nice push here. No trade for me. I'm looking at short here, baby. Looking for the short here. Let's see if we push up. If not, we look for a retest continuation back up. A little bit of patience here. Big old rejection here. 10 minutes to market opens. Thank you, R Pink. It was a 786 bounce. It missed the 786 here. With money flow crossing green. Yeah. V-shaped recovery. I'm not going to trade based off of money flow curving up. At the value area low. Dave, with the uncertain. 618 is so strong. The market makers did a fake out to the down, forcing exits to longs and wanting 80 for 300 longs. Okay. I like that. So it's a fake out or a nasty wick. Okay. Everyone's short. They want to liquidate us. It makes sense. Confirmation was 200 moving average, 1 minute crossing. That's what Crypto Lifer teaches us. Okay. Whatever you're into. That's awesome. There's a million ways to skin a cat. Don't never knock anyone else's hustle. Whatever, if it's working, that's great. As long as you're managing your risk, taking high probability trade setups that you've back tested, I'm all for it, baby. I'm all for it. I love seeing you guys win. Great job. Joni Toes, great job. Valera, great work. I love to see you win. Great job. Great job. Best value in Discord indeed. Rad Jag Gook, my man. Thank you for being part of the gang, man. Happy to have you, bro. Nice push up here. Looking for a higher high to create a 3-minute bear div. Yeah, that would be cool. It would really have to push here. I don't think it's going to push too fast. Look for retest or previous highs continuation trade here. Up into VWAP, we can look for this. We got 6 minutes till market opens, everybody. A little bit of patience is going to help. I just see hopium on this push up here. That's all I see. I mean, coming up into this order block in here would be ideal. Like this whole area is actually an area of interest. Revisiting the lows. So we need confirmation for sure if we're taking the trade up in here. Okay, we need that confirmation. Nice push up here so far. Thank you for being here, everybody, hanging out. Always a good time, man. Always a good time hanging out with you guys. It's been a great week. We crushed 4 out of 5 days. The fifth day that we didn't win was a break-even day. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day and making money, kicking ass, taking names. I thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. Oh. Been a wild week, baby. And we got a wilder week next week. We got the tariffs coming in next week. Woof. It's going to be fun, man. It's going to be fun. I look forward to stupid stuff like that, man. Just the volatility. I mean, you can either get wrecked or get rich, right? But that's why we practice good risk management. The thing is, when you practice good risk management, you give yourself a little bit of wiggle room on volatility days. You get stopped out, you get stopped out. You manage your risk. But if you hit the trade, sometimes you have the opportunity to hit that big trade, right? Where just it shoots, right? If it meets your criteria, there's opportunity to hit home runs. I've hit like 3, 4, 5 full $1,000, $900 trades this week. I mean, it's been a juicy week for me. Up about six and a half grand this week. So tweezer top, guys. Coming back in here. Still waiting. I still want this. We get the right price action in here. I mean, we're coming into market open, everybody, so let's be patient, but you could look to take this. This would be like a hobbit trade up into VWAP here. Patience, though. Let's wait. Let's see what it does. So far, no likey. Okay. 12-minute, yeah. This would get slapped pretty hard here. Let's be patient. I like to see this, right? Like that would be great. And then down, but this would be better. This is very forced if we're taking this trade here. So let's be patient. Still waiting here. I'm glad some of you guys are long, probably long. You're pretty protected down in here, which is good. You could have taken like the doji bullish engulfing here. Yeah, there's a couple chances, I mean, candle wise, to get long here, but not fully in my playbook. Not after news like that. Still waiting here. The R multiple on this isn't too good either. Like, let's be honest. Like, we want to take high probability, high R multiple trades. Like, to me, this is like a wall of crud in front of us, right? So, you're managing the risk here. Like, how cheap? Got to be pretty cheap here. Hit doji engulfing. We could take it. We'll see. Momentum's rolling over here as well. Double top. Money is coming up. Like, I do like that, Dave. I do like the money coming up. Nice curvature here, but that's typical of this. Like, we see this a lot. Gets everybody hopeful, right? You get your bull divs in here. You get your higher low, and then it absolutely destroys everyone's feelings. Don't want to be a victim here. We should be favoring shorts, right? Because the trend is down. Yes, they've squeezed a lot of the longs, okay? However, they could squeeze these guys here and then come back, okay? Retest of highs here. You could long here, but I'm not taking this. We got 30 seconds till market opens. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out, supporting the channel. 408 people here. God bless you guys. 400 people, man. I can't handle that. You guys are incredible. Thank you for supporting the channel. I don't know about all these commands, Dave. We're gonna have to eliminate like a bunch of commands, man. I don't know if I like 1,000 Streamlabs commands in here. I think the only one I enjoy is the fart command. We're gonna have to edit this out, man. It's a lot of commands. Lower high confirmation. Off of this. This is news, so I'm not gonna take this too seriously just yet, okay? Market is open. SPY gapping down. Not looking good here. SPY's gapping down. Looks like we're rolling over. On the SPY, see if we can find some support in here. Okay, this is our support level. So can we find some support in here and then bounce? We'll see. Not looking too good here. NAS, push up. Rejection. Pretty nasty as well. Rolling over. Bitcoin. Holding. This is no trade now off that confirmation. Look at this roll. We wait. Okay. Still waiting here. If you're long here, I'd be taking some profits at minimum. Will the NAS bounce? We'll see. It's trying to hold. SPY trying to hold as well. This looks like it wants to continue down. We got engulfing doji here, rolling over. Let's go 1 minute time frame here. Yeah, come into this order block here, roll over. Nasty. Hopium, right? Hopium into the morning. Higher lows continuation here. This would be the bounce kind of deal in here. Order block. We're picking this apart. This would be our bounce area. That's your hopium if you do get a bounce out of here, but nothing yet. The bounce on NAS? No. Still waiting. Nice bounce on Bitcoin here. Pushing back. Coming back for some shorts, maybe. In the middle of the range, guys. It's not somewhere where I like to hang out. If I'm gonna put hot dogs on my screen and say trade the buns, right? If I'm gonna do this and tell you guys to trade the buns, then how is it fair if I trade the hot dog, right? It's not fair, is it? Why can't I rotate this anymore? 424 people here. Market is open. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Another day, another dollar, baby. Anyone else tempted to sell all HODL and just put it on trading account and short it all? A little bit. Steve Ruggles. It's Steve Rugglin. Yeah. Steve Rugglin paying a visit all the time. Alexander G. Rolling over here. A lot of people trading Sui because of crypto face. Yeah. Hey, Face is making money on it. People think they can do the same as Face. They better give themselves a reality check. There's a reason why he sponsors this channel, not any other way around. There's a reason why he sponsors the channel. Shout out to Face, man. Great person. Put me on when I was a minnow, and I'm still a little minnow, but you know, he sponsored me when I had like 1,500 people, man. So love Face, man. Loyal to the coil, man. I'm default loyalty, man. Crypto Billy, Army Piper. I can't help it. That's just who I am. My Discord peoples, long timers, my mods, loyal to the coil, man. You always get that from me. I show up from you. Death before dishonor. That's it, man. Always. Always. You guys are great. Even Dave Digital. I go to war for you, bro. Love you, man. Spyros, good morning. Good to see you, man. Chopping people up right now. I ain't taking a trade here. If I was to guess, I would say up. I would say up from here. This would be my fake trade. There's my fake trade. Not off confirmation, though. Not something not in my playbook. Like I just can't be taking trades like this on a Friday after having such a great week. It doesn't make sense to me. What's the number one job for you as a trader is to protect your capital, right? You don't have to be in a trade. If you're going to protect your capital, you should be taking trades that you know, that you've traded before. I'm not playing guessing games here. That's gambling. Eric Derred, good morning. How much margin did you use? So the risk is there. Here's the risk. And how many trades? Oh, man. I take about 5 trades a day. Sometimes less, sometimes more. Yesterday, I took 2 trades. 3 trades, sorry. 3 trades yesterday. Demetrius made me take 3. Oh, too funny. Catrix, good morning to you. Good to see you. We got Doji and golfing here. Nice push up. See, I guessed right. Look at that. Sometimes you guess right. Anybody take the long there? You guys let me know. Got our orb bottom so far. Orb is being put in. Who took the long here? Come on. Anybody? Dave did. Herman's did. Face taking us so long. That's cool, man. Andrew Cameron, my fellow Canadian. Good to see you, bro. Thank you for always saying good morning. I appreciate you, bro. Feta did take the long. Yes, I took it. Yes, I took it. You guys, man. You know it. Up to view up. Paper planes, my man. I took one on Suey. Nope. Guilty. You guys. I mean, we do give trade setups that I don't take that some of you guys do take. You guys see it. You guys risk it for the biscuit. That's totally your choice, man. Pump it, Bitcoin. Pump it for the people who took the long. I told you where I would be buying was right here. And look, it's playing out. It's playing out. Nice push. Sometimes it's good for me not to take the trades. Okay, guys? Sometimes it's good for me to sit through the FOMO. Nice push here. Come on. VWAP slap, baby. Then I'm going to counter trade you guys. You guys paying yourselves or what? Make sure you pay yourself. You just took that high. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Continuation out. There, Alex. Dave EP, thank you for the $1. God bless, bro. Hopefully you're doing well. Newbie Crypto, what's going on? Good morning. Got stopped for 75. Okay. Game Face Brothers long the bottom on sweet. Let's go, Game Face. Good job, bro. Infinite Team took the trade as well. Pretty aggressive comeback here. Late longs. Come back for Dave Digitals here. Coming back for the Dave Digitals. The Great Triangle. Okay. I get in and Sui. You guys are all trading Sui. Is it Sui or is it Sui? I'm out, bro. You made some money though. You made $75. You said that's good, Dave. Good job. Dave, are you still in Candles Discord? Coming back here. Stop trying to make up the losses, bro. Take trades. Take trades. Don't make up losses. Take trades, man. Change that mindset. You can do it. Take trades. Not trying to make up losses here. Taking trades. 942. Yes, it's the main one I have up 24/7. Okay. Am I shorting here? No. Death Cross? I think Ben, I haven't watched it. I think Ben Cowan did a video on Death Cross. No trade for me right here. This is garbage, okay? Naz is pushing back. Spy pushing back, okay? Good push here across the indices. Dixie down. Let's go, baby. That's good. That's bullish. So far, so good for all those people in the long. This could be mean. This could be very mean. Whack-a-mole here. If we curve over here on our 12-minute, be very, very mean. 1 minute on orb. To me, this is trapping longs. That's what I see. I see longs being trapped right here. Whether it shoots up quick and then dumps, I see longs being trapped. I don't know what you guys see. What do you guys see? We got 400 people in here, 192 likes. Great short yesterday. Great group of people. Live Discord today. That's going to be good. That's the orb. We have our orb for the day now. Mark out your high, mark out your low. There's your orb. Still waiting. I do 3 lives during the week. I do updates all day long. We have another trader, Brewberry, who does 5 a week in the Discord. I do 5 a week live here as well. We also have a live from CVO. There's your POC, Dave. 9 in total in our Discord. And I will do random ones in the Discord too. You get constant lessons. I do probably like 15 lessons a week. Recorded, top-down analysis, updates. Just chopping here. How many live streams have we done this week? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus in the Discord, plus update videos, plus all the Brewberry lives. Incredible. Kyle just posted an update in the Discord as well, so that you guys know. Bitcoin rolling over here. Double bottom. Bottom of the orb. Chopping everybody up. Still waiting. No direction this morning. Look, like fake out. What have we moved today? Not even a 1%. Get this garbage out of here. Oh, man. Resetting on 3-minute. Rolling over on the 5-minute. Double top. Contrarian. No trade. No trade for me. We're going to do some live trading in the Discord today. This is painful, man. This is painful. It's Friday, baby. Touch some grass, touch some ass. That's me, man. I ain't playing with this thing. It's a bit dicey this morning. You know what? No trades, not feeling it. Don't think it looks good to me. It's really just chopping. So that's me. It's easy to cut it off. We can go and find some more trades later. We'll take some trades maybe in the Discord today. That's kind of the goal. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I'm going to send you guys over to someone else. Hopefully you've had a wonderful week. I've really enjoyed your company, and I've really enjoyed the comments. We've all been crushing it. I'm very grateful to every single one of you guys. So have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the Discord or Monday. God bless you guys. Take care. Mad love. Touch some grass. Touch some ass. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so